Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and I'm here with a fun Cinco de Mayo craft. Today I'm making What's in My Taco Books. This is a fun book for kids to put together, and it has a twist at the end, has all the ingredients for tacos, and then at the end it has a hungry penguin who eats the taco, and that's the end. So for this project, you can find all the directions and the templates and the easy things to print out on Kidfunideas in the spring craft section. It's called What's in My Taco Book. And you'll need colored paper if you want to make the backs the same color as the paper. You'll need some scissors and some glue stick, and that's pretty much it. So round up your supplies and I'll see you right back here. Okay, so for this project, it comes with all the printables and the directions. If you print out all the little different pages to the book, what you'll first want to do is cut them out. And I'm going to cut out this lettuce one. And go ahead and cut out, and there's a tab here. We're going to want to save that so that we can attach it to the book. Just going to go around the lettuce. We'll start with that one. Cut out all the different pages to the taco. Just like this. All right. And then I like to mount them on the same color as the ingredient that they are. So we're just gonna put that. Do not glue the tab part. We're just gonna lay that right across the bottom of the paper. So it looks like that. And the tab will be hanging off. And then we're gonna cut all around it. So we have that as one of the pages of the book. It doesn't have to be exact, just a general around the shape of it. So you'll have your crunchy green lettuce. If you want to make different ingredients than what I have, I've got empty ones. You can make them into salsa. You can make them into spicy onions. The most important thing is just to make sure you keep that tab at the end, and then you'll be able to put it all together. Okay, so once you have all of your ingredient pages cut out and pasted to a piece of paper, you're going to want to take a 9x12 sheet of taco colored paper and fold it in half. And then take the cover of your taco book and cut that out. It doesn't have to be exact either. Just around the general shape. Just like that. Okay. And then along the fold, right here, we're going to paste that down. Get a nice coat of glue. And right on the fold line. Okay. Scooch them over a little bit. Just like that. Okay, so here's the front of your taco book. And I like to cut around the edge of that. So it looks more like a taco. All right, so there's your book front. And it's pasted down. And there we go. All right, so to attach all your pages, the first thing you're going to want to do, and this is your last page here. This is the Crunch Munch Yum. So you're going to save that for the end. You're going to open up your thing, your taco, and you're going to take, it doesn't matter what order, except for the penguin is the last one to go because he's the guy that's eating the taco. So you just open it up, and the front is here, and you're going to lay that first ingredient down with the tab on the opposite side, and you're going to just tape it down. And now see, it becomes a page. And you'll just keep on laying your ingredients down. and taping them down. And one at a time, we just keep laying them down with the tabs on one side and the ingredients on the other. And I like to use the lettuce as the second to the last one because it's pretty big and it will hide whatever, it'll hide the penguin really well. So here comes the lettuce. He's second to last. And the last one is our penguin. He goes on last because he's a surprise at the end. All right. So now you have all these tabs and you have all your ingredients on this side. So the last thing to do is to cover up this with the inside of your last page here. So that's the Crunch, Munch, Yum. So we're going to put a good on there. And we're going to lay that down, covering up the tab that we have all the ingredients on. And there you go. Now you push it down and crease that fold again. And there's your book. What's in my taco? Well, let's find out. Tasty cheese, spicy brown meat, juicy red tomatoes, yummy salsa, crunchy green lettuce, a hungry penguin. I love tacos. Munch, crunch, yum. Oh, that is fun. Well, I hope you guys have a great Cinco de Mayo, and I hope you guys can make your own taco book. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.